Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. In today's video, we are going to show you the all-new 2020 Lotus Evora Gt. But before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, on to the video. Lotus has again updated its only car for sale in the United States, the Evora. Introducing a new GT model that replaces the previous Evora 400 and the limited run Evora 410. With a claimed top speed of 188 miles per hour and curb weight of 3,104 pounds, the Evora GT is the fastest and lightest Lotus available for sale. The GT makes 416 horsepower from its Toyota Source supercharged 3.5-liter V6, an increase of 16 horsepower from the Evora 400. Both 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic transmissions are available. When paired with the automatic, the V6 makes 332 pound-feet of torque compared to 317 pound-feet of torque with the stick. Lotus claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.8 seconds, no matter the gearbox, 0.3 seconds quicker than it claims for the 400. The wheels are forged aluminum and measures 19-inch up front and 20 inches at the rear. And the GT comes with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. Customers can order the GT in either 2 seats or 2+2 configurations. And as standard, the Sparkle race seats, dashboard, center console, door panels, transmission tunnel, and steering wheel are covered in black Alcantara. The techiest part of the GT is a 7-inch infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. Everything else about the interior is sparse and focused on the driver. The Evora GT is available to order now with a starting price of $96,950, which is quite a bit more expensive than the competitors like the $81,950 Porsche 718 Cayman GTS. And the Evora GT can still be loaded up with options like the $2,700 automatic transmissions, an 8,000 titanium exhaust system that saves 22 pounds, water satin black wheels for $3,250, and paint colors that cost up to $8,100.